Did you know that Pinterest isn't just for finding recipes and home decor ideas? It's a hidden goldmine for making money online. And today, I'm going to show you 7 easy ways that you can make money online with Pinterest. Hey, this is Colin, and I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you're looking for a flexible way of making money online without needing to be a text expert, Pinterest is one of the best platforms out there. It has over 450 million active users that are looking for ideas, inspiration, and products every single month. And the best part, you don't even need to have a huge following to start making money on Pinterest. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 easy ways that you can start making money on Pinterest in 2025. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm sharing my favorite strategy that beginners can start using today. If you like content like this that helps beginners navigate the online space, learning how to make money online using digital marketing, make sure you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this that I'll be putting out consistently. Oh, and in the comments down below, make sure that you put in the comments down below if you've ever actually even started or if you've ever tried to use Pinterest in the past before, all right? So let's dig in, let's get started. The first method, the easy way of making money online with Pinterest is number 1, affiliate marketing. Now, why does this work? Why is it so easy? Why is it good? Well, because with Pinterest, they allow you to put your affiliate links right in the pins, meaning that you could earn a commission whenever somebody clicks on your link that's in your pin and they go over to the website and they make a purchase from the product or service that you're talking about or that you're mentioning in your pin. They go over there and use your affiliate link. Then you're going to make a commission and you get to put these links in your pins. Okay, so how do you get started with this method? Well, number 1, you got to go and choose an affiliate network. You can go to places like Amazon, Share a Sale, ClickBank, JVZoo, all sorts of different affiliate networks out there that you can go to, sign up as an affiliate partner, and then grab a link or grab the URL from the product or service that you want to promote that has to do with the topics and your pins that you are putting on your Pinterest boards. Now, what you do, the best thing to be doing is you create pins, eye-catching pins, and then in your pins, you actually link and you direct people over to a blog, okay? Use a blog. Over to your blog post is what you're going to really want to do, or a landing page with your affiliate links. Now, what you want to do also is within your pins, as you're optimizing them, you want to optimize your pins with search keywords. Use SEO. Optimize your pins so that they come up when people are searching for specific keywords. Here's a pro tip. Use Canva. Use Canva to design professional, beautiful looking pins. Okay, number 2. Here's the second easy way of making money online with Pinterest. Number 2 is digital products. Why this works? Well, you could be, like I said, digital products. You can be selling digital products like printables. And I'm talking about planners, trackers, all sorts of simple digital products that you could sell really cheap. $7, $14, $27 digital products that you can create. And then you could do the same way as the affiliate marketing. You create the beautiful pins. You create pins using Canva, and then you use your SEO, and then you direct people as well over to a landing page or over to your blog posts with your affiliate, or not your affiliate, but the link to your digital products that you are selling. And another pro tip, here's what you can do, is you could also direct people over to a landing page where you offer them a free gift, and then they can get the free gift opting into your mailing list. That's what you can do, is build your contact list that way too. Now, another one, number 3, here's another really simple one, is you could use your Pinterest to actually just generate traffic. You can put up pins and then direct traffic from the pins over to your blog that has AdSense, right? Or even other videos that has the AdSense where you can earn from revenue from the ads as well. That's with AdSense, Google AdSense. So you can be doing that too, right? That's another powerful method, is just using your Pinterest pins to generate the traffic over to your blogs and receive revenue that way. Number 4, offering Pinterest virtual assistant services. How this works, why this works? Well, businesses and bloggers, they need help. They need help managing their Pinterest accounts, and they're willing to pay for it. So how do you go about doing this? Well, you gotta learn. You gotta learn a lot more about Pinterest, though. This isn't gonna happen overnight. But when you learn and keep studying more and more about Pinterest, learn more strategies, pin creation, scheduling, SEO, you start learning all the nuts and bolts of all about this. Now, then you can start offering this as a service too. You start creating a portfolio of your work that you have done. Then you start offering your services as pin management, pin designs, all sorts of stuff like that. You can find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, freelance websites. Here's another pro tip on that. You can niche down. Focus on e-commerce sites or bloggers. And number 5, you could actually start running ads for clients, running Pinterest ads for clients. Why this works? Well, Pinterest pins can actually start generating a huge amount of traffic for people and sales. But many business owners, they just don't know how to go about doing and running them effectively. So how do you go about doing this? Well, you got to learn the Pinterest strategies. You learn and you get better at Pinterest, and you start really learning how to optimize your pins to start generating and driving all that traffic. And guess what? Pinterest Business Hub, they've got some free training on that too. You can offer ad setup and management to small business owners. Charge a monthly retainer for ongoing management. Number 6, creating and selling Pinterest templates. This works because there are many businesses out there, many people that are out there that want Pinterest pins, right? And they don't know how to create it. So instead of just creating them all the time on the spot for them as a service, you can just create templates, have ready-made templates that people are already ready to come and buy all these templates, and you could sell them as templates. And number 7, monetizing a YouTube channel that is focused on Pinterest. People love learning how to make money online using Pinterest, and they want to learn more and more about it. And if you provide a YouTube channel like this video here, and you can teach people, provide value about Pinterest. Now, if any of these tips, any of these strategies inspires you at all in regards to Pinterest, making money online with Pinterest, let me know. Let me know which one inspires you the most. Drop me a comment below and let me know which one actually inspires you the most. And as well, if you want to keep learning more and you want a great package deal, a package bundle on learning and mastering Pinterest, I have a bundle below in the description that you can go check out this bundle. I got a bundle with a bunch of guides and ebooks in there that you can learn all of this Pinterest, and you can become a master at Pinterest with the bundle right there. So with all that being said, if you did find any value at all in this video, you know what to do. You know what? I'd appreciate it if you did. But smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, like I said, and let me know which one inspires you the most. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, well, you know what to do. Click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when more videos are released for you. And in the meantime, right over here, we've got YouTube that's recommending this video over here that says this is the one that's going to probably most interest you here right now. Head on over there, check this video out. I'll be over there, and I'll see you there. Bye for now.